Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I want to make a quick update on the Jackson Hole trip when they lost our luggage, the forms I filled out, timeline everything took, and how much money I got back. Let's move to the computer. Okay, this is the Delta website. I clicked delayed lost damage, delayed baggage, begin claim, entered my name and reference number. Next page, I click this out-of-pocket expense, enter your flight and more information. This part, I try to be as accurate as I could with all my receipts. Ended up with rentals and ski gear. Next is to finally submit everything, and once that's done, you will need to upload as much information as you can. I submitted this February 24th. About a week later, I got this email on March 4th. They wanted me to reply to this email with the receipts. I guess they didn't upload correctly. And about a day later, I got some money. This amount was for the rentals. I did ask to see if they will reimburse the ski gear, but since this was for gloves, goggles, and face masks, they were saying that could have gone in my carry-on. And in addition to this 104, they are also reimbursing the 35 check bag fee. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with what happened with Delta and glad I was able to get a few dollars back. But for now, video 273 done.